Hello, welcome to Tom's Tinkering and Adventures. Coming to you from Chicago. I am on the world famous Navy Pier right now. And it's quite busy, quite busy. Chicago skyline. Got some boats out here. Now, things like this, famous places, you know, I like to check them out, but I am honestly not into the people crowds. Too many people. It's just not my thing. But you know, I'm in Chicago. I want to check out some of the famous sites. So that's what we'll be doing here today. So we're gonna walk around the Navy Pier a little bit, maybe find something interesting to eat, and see what we see. It's already been interesting. Paid $30 to park here for the day. I don't know how long I'm going to spend here, but I imagine the next place I go, I'll be spending $20, $30 to park there as well. So it can get quite expensive. I don't know much about the public transportation system here, but that's probably the way to go. So I'm going to do a little bit of research, and maybe tomorrow I'm not going to spend $60, $80 to park for the day. So I'll go check some more stuff out, and I'll get back at you. So this fountain here is at the end of the Navy Pier, which we just got done checking out. Navy Pier, right there. There's an air show going on today. Chicago Sea and Air, it's called. Catching a little bit of that here, and then I looked up and we got the Magnificent Mile, it's called. All the best shopping in Chicago, which is a short distance away from here. So I guess I'm going to be walking around doing some window shopping with the trophy wife. Yeah, I'm going to be controlling. I'm not going to let her buy anything. I'll probably let her buy something if she wants to. She lets me do what I want to do, and I let her do what she wants to do, and we both give each other a little bit of gruff, but not too much. So we'll see you back when I get to the shopping district and just enjoy a little bit of the skyline here. So we walked around, did a little bit of shopping, and my wife kept it to one purchase, so that's pretty good. So we're on the Magnificent Mile right now, it's called. It's a whole bunch of shopping in this area. And then we come around the corner and we saw this giant building here. Which I think is called the New Hancock Building or something like that, but they have a 360-degree observatory up there. We might take a peek at that and decide if we're going to go up there or not. Those are always kind of neat to check out and get a good view of the city. Ooh, I'm taking a step back here, and I almost stepped right off to that thing right there. Would have caught that live on video. That would have been great. But as you can see, a lot of people. Big city, of course. A lot of people. Really not my favorite thing, but I can deal with it. Checking a few things out. So let's see what we find out next. So I picked a pretty good day to come up here on the 360 Observatory because of the Sky and Sea show, or whatever they call it here, Air and Sea show. We've got the aircraft flying right here. Can't see them very good with the camera, but a lot of people came up here just to watch. And of course the great views up here. Building goes all the way around the top. I guess that's why they call it 360, huh? Yeah, I'm pretty quick on figuring these sort of things out. I gotta say this about Chicago, they've been really good. Every place I've gone, I got a military discount. And they give a great discount on this. I got half price for the Observatory, and then regular price they charged me for the bar, because they had a deal where you could do the view and a drink, I think they called it. So I ended up saving quite a bit of money on that. So thank you very much, Chicago, for supporting the military. Great skyline view up here. I imagine at nighttime it would be awesome up here as well. So something to check out if you make it here to Chicago. Yeah, pretty decent view of Navy Pier from above here. More of the skyline. Trump Tower is over there. I don't remember which one of these two it is. One of these two. Down there's the Magnificent Mile, all the shopping. Neat looking old church. And way off in that direction, I believe, is Wrigley Field. Like I said before, I'm not that much into sports, but I think it would still be pretty cool to check it out. It's historic, and what the hell, you know, we're here. So, possible. Yeah, we're just walking around downtown Chicago. Lots and lots of beautiful architecture here. And lots of people, so I'm doing okay. I'm doing all right with the people here. We just stopped and had some Chicago deep dish pizza. That was pretty good. First time for that, so we're continuing on to Millennium Park. So if you're familiar with early 1990s sitcoms, then you may recognize this. This is called Buckingham Fountain, and it was in the opening credits of Married with Children. Al Bundy. So at this point, I don't know, we probably walked 5 or 6 miles. The car is a couple miles away. So probably just about done sightseeing for the day. Getting pretty tired on the old feet, so we'll head it on back and see what we got waiting for us at the end of the day. Well, thanks for joining me today on my little tourist action in Chicago. I'm back here at the suite, and just thinking about all the stuff I saw today. So I went to Navy Pier, went to Magnificent Mile shopping area, went to Millennium Park, saw the big water fountain going on there, and even got some pizza today at let me see here, what's it called? Giordano's. Had a great big Chicago pizza, deep dish. So I know some people have a little beef between New York pizza and Chicago pizza. Well, they're both pretty damn good. So just try them both, eat what you like. I'm not gonna say one's better than the other. They're both pretty good. I enjoyed it. And to finish off my day here, we're going Chicago style here with old style. Little old style beer. You can't get this stuff in San Diego, so cheers everyone here. Let's see what we're talking about. There. I have a hard time turning that thing back.
not too bad in Chicago style. Thank you very much, Chicago, for a beautiful day. I don't know what's on the agenda tomorrow, but hopefully the weather stays decent. I get to check out a little bit of something and maybe not walk 15 miles, but it's all right. My feet will feel fine tomorrow morning. Thank you very much for watching. Get out there and find your adventure. Adios.